everyone. Welcome to this session where we'll be discussing about important topics for mechanical engineering. And my name is Rahul Kanyal. I've had an experience of around 2 years of working in BHEL. I have also a prestigious master's degree from IISc Bangalore. And let's go through the syllabus first. All right. Sorry for that. So section 1 is engineering mathematics, and this is one of the most important subject that one can have in GATE and ESE and other exams like ISRO as well. Okay, it consists of linear algebra, calculus, differential equations, probability, and yes, complex. All right, and then we have applied mechanics and design, and under this is the second section that we have. Hello Rahul, I hope you are doing great out there. Okay, so I welcome you, Rahul Sarkar. Yeah, it's again good to see you. All right, yes, thank you very much. Now after that we have engineering mechanics of materials. This one is a very important topic. All right, this has lots of weightage for that. Okay, and applied mechanics and design, theory of machines. Now yes, they have increased the portion of theory of machines, another important topic. Then vibrations. All right, and applied mechanics and design. Yes, still we are in section 2, machine design. Yes, 2 to 4 marks is covered in machine design. All right, let's go ahead. Fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. Then we enter the section 3. Okay, then we have fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and thermodynamics. This whole section is another very important topic for GATE and ESE. All right, Hari Naresh, I'm really sorry, Hindi, it cannot happen in Hindi. All right, really sorry, I'm bound. I have to be communicating in English, so really I apologize for that. Okay. Okay, now fluid mechanics and thermal sciences, the application part of these. Okay, then comes the material science and manufacturing and industrial engineering, another very important topic. If you ask me what is important, everything is important, right? If you think that yes, you're just getting 2 marks from machine element design and you skip it, and it happens that you get very easy question in GATE, then automatically 2 marks getting reduced, right? You can imagine the impact of that in your rank. 2 marks, it's a big deal, let me tell you this. Okay, fine. Hari Naresh, I just have a suggestion for you. Just try listening to it. Okay, it's fine. Even I also didn't get it. I also used to struggle in understanding English. So this is what my suggestion is to you, because anyhow, even if you go to PSUs, if you go to IISc, IITs, you will be needed to conversate in English. That's fundamental. Okay, okay. Yeah, Bach, Rahul, I'm really sorry, Bach. Okay, first let me complete this, and this is what I can tell you. All right, so the best way to prepare for anything is to look at the previous year papers. Then that gives you a hint of how the papers or the questions are framed. Okay, Rahul, this is what I can tell you. Okay, this is what I can tell you. Just go to previous year papers. You tend to get the taste of the level that it has. Okay, so this is what I can suggest to you, and obviously every topic is important. If you ask me which topic to do, which topic to skip, I say that do everything. Whatever you can, you have to do with a focused mind, with a focused attitude. This is what I can tell you, Rahul. All right, fine, sorry for that. Okay, then again this comes under integration, computer integrated manufacturing, CIM, NR, and production planning and control. Okay, fine, yes. Now this is about okay, let's take the most important topic, that is manufacturing. All right, and you know that if you skip this part, obviously you need not skip any part. I just fumbled there. You need not skip anything. All right, and if you talk about important topics and all, I think everything is important for any examination, be it BARC, be it ISRO, be it GATE, be it ESE, be it something else, XYZ. Alright, Savana Balaji, hi. I hope you're really doing awesome there, okay? Yes. So, yes, the maximum weightage is of manufacturing, right? Manufacturing is very important apart from engineering mathematics. This is what I can tell you. Then thermodynamics, you can read all these things, second law, first law problems, steam turbines, laws and properties, all of these are very important topics, but still I keep on repeating, okay? Okay, then fluid mechanics, velocity, potential, flow through pipes, boundary layer theory, and centrifugal pumps and all. But let me tell you that if I'm telling you these things, it doesn't mean that you just prepare these and go to GATE. No, you need to cover everything, understand everything in depth, okay? Yes, Akash has a question. Finishing chapter, we need to solve conventional question or previous year we'll do the work for GATE. Again, I'm repeating it. I was having a previous session here. Akash, you need to understand it. You need to understand everything, okay? If you think that solving questions are enhancing your understanding, you are in the right path. Otherwise, just solving questions for the sake of solving them, I don't think it's a very good thought. It's a very good way to go, right? Okay, fine. So, fluid mechanics we have covered, heat transfer also, numbers and convection, problems on conduction, critical thickness, and heat exchangers like NTU. These are some common topics that one can prepare. Okay, Akash, I hope I answered your question. Theory of machines and vibrations, and yes, pairs and its application, linkage, inversions. Chapter 1 is always important, guys. Okay, never leave chapter number 1. Okay, and there's more probability of a question from chapter number 1 always, because that's the most basic one. So never leave entire syllabus. Even if, for example, you're leaving, let's say, machine design, okay, machine element design. I keep on inferring machine element design, pardon me for that, but if you're leaving it, don't leave entirely, okay? Do at least 2 chapters, first 2 chapters. I don't suggest to leave them, but if you have to leave, if you must leave, okay, do at least 2 chapters, the first 2. This is what I can tell you, okay, because the basics are covered in first 2 chapters. Alright, industrial, LPP, queuing theory, queue inventory control, and obviously PERT CPM. Okay, mechanics, structural analysis, work and energy, law of restitution, engineering, materials, effect of alloying elements, defects in crystal structures, and so on, as you can see. Alright, yeah. Strength of material is very important for us, for mechanical engineers. I think this is the most important portion for that person who wants to go into design. Because I am from design, this is what I can tell you. Strength of materials, very important. Okay, yes. Flow like after completion chapter, what should do? Okay, after completion subject or chapter, what should we do now? Okay, then okay, yes, Akash, you can go back and start doing previous year questions. Okay, I'm replying to Akash Manna. Okay, and try to understand it in a more proficient way. Go inside it, dig deep, ask questions like why is it happening the way it is happening. I keep on repeating this. Okay, Vijay, okay, yeah, it's completely online there. Classroom coaching, we don't have classroom coaching right now. Okay, maybe in future we might have. I'm not the right person to comment on it. Okay, so but you can always join online, because this is the era of online, right? Everything is online. Even saloons are offered online right now. That's the beauty of it. You be at your home and prepare. Okay, Vijay, I replied to you. Machine design again joins design of gears and bearings. Engineering mathematics, and let me tell you about engineering mathematics. Sorry for that. I realized after going to IISc Bangalore that the most important subject for us is engineering mathematics. It has lots of applications out there, all right? Lots of application. Every modeling, failure modeling, if you're doing, you do it with mathematical models out there, okay? And generally you solve a differential equation because life is a differential equation, okay? If you don't understand it, let's just think about it. I told you that life is a differential equation, all right? The easiest of, or the most common equation, force equal to dp upon dt, is differential in nature, right? So you end up solving these differential equations numerically. And the most important the most important, the portion of mathematics is numerical analysis, numerical methods that you call alternatively, okay? Fine. So here we are, and this is also very important. If you want to score more, you need to do or have your mathematics very strong. But luckily for us, for mechanical, the engineering mathematics level is really easy. It's here, it's over here, all right? But for CS, it's over here. So let's celebrate that, because for CS they always have to code. And what language do they code? They code it in mathematics. Yes, obviously using C or C++ or Java, whatever the language they must use. Okay, fine. General aptitude as well. So this is also a very scoring portion where you can score easy 15 marks in less than 8 to 10 minutes. Very scoring. Okay, then yes, we have few green cards, and we also have Vision 2021, okay, and where we have already started the classes. You can tune in, you can check it yourself, you can get a taste of it. If you like it, you can join us, otherwise you can skip it, and there's no harm in joining the trials for free. All right, the classes have already started from 5th of January, okay? If you have any questions, please type in. So this was a quick session about important topics, and as I keep on telling you, everything is very important, okay? Everything is very important. Don't skip anything. This is what my general advice or suggestion is to you, okay? Fine. Fine, so I don't see any questions out there, and like the video, subscribe to us, share the news, share the word. It will really help us and those who are seeking a solution after their B.Tech in mechanical engineering. Okay. More important in engineering mathematics. See again, if you talk about eigenvalues and eigenvectors, if you talk about vector identities, yes. And yes, I'm talking about that. More important in engineering maths, if you talk about this, then we have Cauchy's theorem, integral theorem in the complex analysis. Then we have linear equations, linear differential equations. All right, these are very important. Linear differential equations are very important. Numerical analysis, Newton-Raphson is very important. Okay. So eigenvalues, eigenvectors, I have already told you. Green's theorem, Stokes' theorem, these are really important in engineering mathematics. Okay, but still I suggest that, if you are doing it, do it properly. If you're doing it, do it completely, because they can ask it from anywhere, right? Everything is important if you talk about this. Should we begin preparation with? You can start with anything. Cool dude John, I like that name. Okay. You asked that what subject should we begin preparation with? Whatever you're comfortable with. You start preparing that subject, that's all. Alright. So Ankan, yeah, always welcome. Okay. Fine. Then if your syllabus is not completed, and if you're giving 2020 GATE, then I suggest that go back and do previous year papers and try to understand the concept. This is important. All right. Okay, then okay, now we read books. Can we start with some? Yes, anonymous, you can start with some if that gives you happiness, if that gives you satisfaction, you can start with some. Yes. Okay. ESE exam pattern is going to change, right? Maybe, probably, yes, it's going to change. So, but we need to prepare, right? If they are doing something that's not in our hands, we need to do what we can do, or nope. Okay? How much time can I spend on one subject? Yeah, it depends on the subject actually. It depends on the subject. For example, if I talk about production engineering, then on an average it takes 100 hours to deliver the lecture, and I think it should take around maybe 1 month to prepare the course. Maximum 1 month. Okay, so it depends also on your efficiency, right? And how much effort are you putting into it, how much understanding you are having it. I am replying to Sahil Yadav. Okay, how much BHEL Sarkar actually, yeah, you can contact our customer care if you want to know the pricing for this, and they will tell you. We also have discounts for GATE qualified students. This is what I can tell you. Okay, so you can ring them actually. Ring them means ring the customer care, BHEL Sarkar. Okay, yeah, here also we have had a link. You can click onto this and let's see where it takes you. All right, you can try this always and you can leave it. Okay, this is free, a trial is free. Okay, and anything else, if I might be of any help to you, I'm going to reply to you. Okay, any other questions? Okay, fine. So no one's asking a question. It means I'm done with today. So goodbye to all of you and good night. A part of production, not whole production, but a part of production for now. All right. Okay. So I'll catch you soon. Thank you very much.